with CBME for all the 8 exhibitions that we have done right from the beginning. And even in this year, when we are restarting, we were the one who immediately said yes, because we strongly believe that child and baby care products are they need much more introduction. They needs to be penetrated much more, because at this stage they're still into the nascent stage. There are many products that we feel that we really need to the consumer is not aware. Most of us are the first generation user of the differentiated product. Of course, we have all used shampoo, cream, lotions, which are basics that were there. But in terms of the evolution that has happened in the baby care industry over the years, and we being one of the largest baby care brand in the world, so I am sure most of you are aware, Kiko is from the House of Italy. I think from there we are the leading brand in Southern Europe, and we really believed in India as a company. So we started our operation about 14 years back, and today I'm very happy to say that we are there. We have a pan-India presence, and with the differentiated products and offering that a mother or the Indian parents used to miss out, that we used to say, oh, the person who's coming from abroad will bring it to India, is all taken care. Almost anything and everything that a evolved parent need is available right here in India at the click of a button or your neighborhood store. That's
Honored to be here and be a part of this special event. And as a mom, I feel there are a lot of latest innovations which I saw, and even connect with these experts. So I'm truly thankful to be a part of this event. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Dr. Pereira?
Hi, thank you for having me here. As lightly said, we are at a stage where the baby care has taken great more importance than it had done all these decades before. We have gone from hand-me-downs to where the child was ignored until he reached 4 or 5 years of age, to where we have started recognizing the child's personality develops very early in life, in the first few months of life. We have gone to the extent where we want to give them various emotions, we want to give them various experiences very early in life. We as pediatricians now recognize that the first 200 days of life is what greatly impacts the child's future in life. So now, as again said, we have very good quality products in India which are available, which earlier we used to say, okay, it's available in the West, but in India we have to make do with such things. That being said, there are a lot of products again which we really don't know the quality or from where they are coming. A lot of things are branded, natural and organic, but then everything that's natural doesn't have to be good. That's something which we have to take care while providing for our children.